The 5 best thermostats right now, ranked purely by data, prices, ratings, and over 122,000 real customer reviews. No sponsorships, no opinions. Let's count them down. Starting at number 5, Amazon Smart, around $114 with a 4.0 star average. Starting at number 4, Google Nest, around $130 with a 4.1 star average. Number 3, Amazon Smart. Around $80, rated 4.0 stars by over 25,000 shoppers. Reviewers highlight, easy and quick installation process. Number 2, Honeywell Home. Around $134, rated 4.3 stars by over 20,000 shoppers. Reviewers highlight, easy 7-day programming. Number 1, Sensi Smart. Around $107, rated 4.4 stars by over 22,000 shoppers. Reviewers highlight, does not require a C-wire. With the best balance of rating, review volume and price, it takes our top RecoRader score, 67 out of 100. Prices and ratings change constantly, that's why our comparison tables update every day. Find the full breakdown, including 1-star complaint rates and what reviewers actually say, at RecoRader.com, link in the description.